Simple, fun, and beginner-friendly real-life English conversation with two kids.
For more, like, subscribe, and share with your friend.
Hello.
Hi,
What is your name?
my name is Rahul. What is your name?
My name is Ria.
Nice to meet you, Ria.
Nice to meet you too. Which class are you in?
I am in class 2.
Who is your teacher?
My teacher is Miss Anu.
She is very nice.
Yes, she is very kind.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
Do you go to school every day?
Yes, I go to school every day.
I like my school.
Me too.
What is in your lunchbox?
I have roti and vegetables.
I have rice and dal.
Is it tasty?
Yes, it is very tasty. Do you want to play?
Yes, I want to play.
Let's play football.
Okay, let's go.
Come fast.
Like, subscribe, and share with your friend.